This landmark development by the Office of Public Works at Leeson Lane delivers a modern, high-quality, energy-efficient workspace for 2 government departments in the heart of Dublin City. The project involved the restoration and refurbishment of a historic structure and the construction of a new 7-storey office building. Leeson Lane represents a key milestone in the OPW's Strategic Asset Management Plan. It allows the OPW to optimise the state's property portfolio, reducing reliance on poorer performing buildings and creating opportunities for future consolidation.
Designed in-house by OPW Architecture and engineered by OPW Mechanical and Electrical Engineering Services, Leeson Lane achieves reduced carbon emissions, reduced energy consumption and high levels of environmental sustainability. Equipped with smart technologies, the building optimises sustainability, comfort and operational efficiency, while meeting Ireland's Nearly Zero Energy Building or NZEB standards.
A notable part of this project was the restoration of a historic structure, the former dispensary building for St. Vincent's Hospital. The restoration reflects OPW's commitment to preserving heritage while delivering modern functionality. The classical proportions of the adjacent historic buildings are reflected in the design of the aluminium facade to the new office building, helping to link the old and the new. This more contemporary addition sits comfortably in its context and respects and enhances the existing urban fabric.
By investing in smarter, more sustainable spaces, the Office of Public Works is delivering real value for the state, unlocking long-term savings and supporting the evolving needs of government operations.